Let us take an example here. You're given the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now, you're asked to find a line which is parallel to the given line. You're given a line, you're asked to find a parallel line to this line which passes through 1, 1. So this is the condition which I am talking about. You'll be asked to find a line parallel to the given line and satisfying some given condition. Now, how do we do this? So, I want a line which is parallel to this passing through 1, 1. So, what I do is, any line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 will be of the form 2x plus 3y plus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is an unknown. So this is any line parallel to this given line. But I don't want any line. I want that particular line which passes through 1, 1. So what I do is, given that the line passes through 1, 1. That means I want my line to satisfy this point. So 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. This implies lambda is equal to minus 5. So for the line to satisfy the given condition, lambda has to be equal to minus 5. Hence, the required line is 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, I want a line perpendicular to this line at a distance of root 13 units from origin. So I want a line which is perpendicular to this line. So what can I assume as? So the line can be assumed as, you need to exchange the coefficients and you need to add an extra minus sign. So 3x minus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus lambda is equal to 0. This is any line which is perpendicular to this line. But I don't want any line. I want that particular line which is at a distance of root 13 from origin. This implies modulus of lambda by root of 3 square plus 2 square is equal to root 13. This implies lambda by root 13 is equal to plus or minus root 13. This implies lambda is equal to plus or minus 13. So if lambda is equal to plus or minus 13, the line will be at a distance of root 13 units from the origin. So this implies the required lines are 3x minus 2y plus or minus 13 is equal to 0. Thank you.